Hi, I'm Mark, Sales Executive here at SwipedOn. In this video, I'll guide you through 5 key areas of consideration when you're choosing a visitor management system for your workplace. As a business, you'll want to create the best first impression imaginable for all visitors, but you also have a responsibility for the safety and security of visitors and employees alike. While a visitor management system replaces the paper visitor book, it has the ability to help you manage and streamline processes for both visitors and employees. Let's dive in and explore those crucial areas of consideration. Robust visitor management systems are designed to fully automate the check-in process with minimal supervision from staff. SwipedOn offers a contactless sign-in experience, has the ability to print visitor badges and manage evacuations with quick access to offline roll call enabled by simply shaking the iPad. Combined with the ability to customize the check-in fields, visitor management systems can be tailored to address your company's unique needs and make the process of tracking and monitoring visitors to your office faster. When visitors arrive at your premises, you're responsible for their safety and data security. Any data that they provide as part of your visitor policy should be kept safe and secure. This is best achieved using a cloud-based software. The visitor and employee photo capture ensures quick and easy visitor identification. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the ability to offer contactless sign-in and visitor screening questions should be a crucial consideration for added safety measures to reduce risk of the virus entering your workplace. If you're going to implement a digital visitor management system, make sure that it's compliant with local legislation. For example, a GDPR-compliant visitor management system enables businesses to comply with core principles of the regulation by prioritising transparency, ensuring that clear consent is given, and providing adequate security for information collected and stored in the system. One of the key benefits of a visitor management system is how it improves the visitor and employee experience in the workplace. You can easily obtain more information about how visitors interact with the system, how long it normally takes for guests to check in at the front desk, check the frequency of visits, and assess the times you get the most guests. With this information, you can easily adjust processes and manpower at the front desk as needed. Any technology that you invest in now should be able to scale with you as your business grows. The best visitor management software can easily expand to meet your growing visitor traffic needs and facility layout. Tablet-based platforms like SwipedOn only require additional devices to easily manage multiple entry points. The key to finding the right platform is by understanding your organisation's unique needs so the suitable features are implemented. Get in touch with us or start a free trial of SwipedOn today to discover if this visitor management system is the right fit for your business.